few words about City of Paris and open source. City of Paris is involved in open source since 2001. In 2002, the City of Paris has released Lutece version 1.0 in a BSD license. City of Paris was the first public organization that released open source in France. In 2005, we joined the ADULACT association that promote free software in public organization. In 2006 and 2007, we organized with l'Inagora an event called Paris Capitale du Libre. In 2008, City of Paris launched the Open World Forum, which is a very great event for open technologies, and City of Paris is still one of the main sponsors. And over 10 large business applications have been released in open source during these 12 years. And we are running today about 400 instances of Lutece in our data center. And as we said, we are about to join OW2, and we should be a member, a non-proprietary member. In January, the decision should be voted in 10 days by the City Hall Council. So what is Lutece? Lutece first was a CMS. It provides a dynamic document model, publishing workflows, search engine, newsletter, all you can find in a classic CMS. And it's also a Java portal that can handle application, all features of authenticated features. And for 5 or 6 years now, it's used as development framework for all business application at the City of Paris. It's powerful to build a business application because we have many core services, many APIs, many sample of code, a large set of plugins ready to use, and a code generator. And today we are very efficient to build a business application with Lutece. Another way to use Lutece is to use generic plugins that can make online services just by assembling them. Many online services of the City of Paris are made with generic plugins and with no specific development. And finally, Lutece is free software. Who is using Lutece? The users community is quite small, but we have prestigious references such as Meteo France. Is a weather forecast of France, which have 1 million visitors per day. We have GeoPortail, it's a government portal for maps. Notaires.fr, e-Bourgogne, and some sites also in some minister. We have many integrators that can handle services now with Lutece, such as Sopra, Ethos, which made the Meteo France site, and l'Inagora. Those integrators as contribute to Lutece. They have reverse code. They are giving back code. And there is TeamNet with an editor that have a proprietary product based on Lutece. Who is developing? Here is a picture of a part of the development team 2 years ago. We have reached recently 100 committers, not at the same time, but since 8 years. And the team is quite stable, and the number of commits you can see on OpenHub is it's also stable. I will enumerate some key features of Lutece. The first one is modularity. Lutece is based on a core plugin architecture. We experienced this architecture over 12 years, and with in many different contexts, we have to solve many problems with Lutece. So it helps us to build an architecture that is very flexible and very adaptable for specialization. Everything in Lutece is a plugin. Even the CMS, it's a plugin document. We have over 350 plugins now and modules. Modules are a plugin of plugins. Many APIs. Only 34 just for the core, and we also use many dependencies injection using Spring IOC that lets specialize every component of the software. Key feature number 2, we have chosen Bootstrap from Twitter nearly 3 years ago. We have migrated all our templates to this CSS framework, and it seems we have made a good choice because Bootstrap is very used now. And the other benefit is that we can now choose a standard theme or charters, and you can change the look and feel of Lutece in 2 clicks, like you do with WordPress, for example. The key feature number 3, it's the build architecture. It's a very important point because it probably this point that makes the difference between Lutece and other products in the way we use Lutece. Lutece is used to build large portal or online web services or business application, and all the work we do it with Maven, and we use Maven for the dependency checking, and that will ensure the compatibility of all the platform, and we can build a complete site with only one command line, and all the code, the configuration code, is managed by a source code control, software control, Subversion or Git, and the way we work it's very easy to produce the complete web app adapted for different targets, development, production, and also we can put after the build some tools to deploy directly to the platform. We used to use Cloudbees for two years now. Unfortunately, they stopped the activity, but we deployed many applications using this system on Cloudbees. Key feature number 4, Lutece is made by an organization, a public organization, so it follows all the rules of the French government recommendation. such as accessibility, security, and recommendation for free software. It's also completely free. That's good for a public organization and for their budget. And also it's easy to reuse for other organizations, and it's which have generally the same needs. For example, all cities has quite the same needs, and it's a good platform to share and reuse features, business features. Last key feature, it's about technology. Many of you are fan of technology, and Lutece is a very simple platform to embed, to integrate other technologies. We use Lucene for search engine. We have plugin for Solar, Elasticsearch. For authentication, we have plugins for OpenAM, Persona from Mozilla, CAS. We can easily use LeanID, for example. Monitoring, we have plugins to export GMX metrics using GMX trans, Logstash to process logs, Kibana to represent, to have a fancy graph representing data in Elasticsearch, Graphite also to display a graph for metrics. We integrate also SAP. We have 3 large business applications that wrap SAP features. For ECM, we have many plugins for Alfresco. For Open Data, we have a plugin for CCAN that let the EtaLab, it's a French organization for open data, to harvest data set published by Lutece. We have an interface using CMS, and we also have machine learning, recommendation learning, as described by Cedric previously, that can make a recommendation using Mayout, Apache Mayout. Lutece 5.0 is coming. It's a release candidate stage for the moment, and integrates the latest version of all our stack, such as Bootstrap 3.3. It's already testable on our demo site, and all the code is going to move on GitHub. So it's finished. Here is some links for addresses for documentation and resources, and you can keep in touch with our Twitter account, Lutece News. Thank you very much.